Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to get a loan on Barclays app. Firstly, see if you've received an invitation to apply online. Enter basic details such as name, email address, state of residence, desired loan amount, and purpose of the loan. Barclays will show you potential loans terms without impacting your credit score. If you like the offer terms, submit a form loan application online. Provide personal and financial details including social security number, employment information, and proof of income. Now, Barclays will review your bank application and some applicants may get a same-day decision, while others might have to wait a few days. If approved, sign the documents to accept the loan terms, and Barclays typically deposits the loan funds into your designated US checking or savings or credit card account within a few business days. Just know that interest rates and approval depends on your credit worthiness and financial profile. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.